Have you been looking for the perfect compact SUV? Take a look at this 2019 Jeep Compass Latitude Edition in granite crystal pearl. With automatic halogen quad headlamps, windshield wiper de-icing, remote keyless entry, remote start, 17-inch polished aluminum wheels, power liftgate, deep tinted glass, heated power driver and front seats, heated leather wrapped steering wheel, all-season floor mats, 7-inch touchscreen, Park View rear backup camera, Uconnect system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, Bluetooth audio streaming, dual media hub USB and auxiliary outlets, dual zone temp control, and so much more. For additional information, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5331.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.